Tell me all about Ryan.
Ryan is 14 years old. Yes, he just turned 14. He has a condition called lissencephaly. He has seizures. He is fed through a feeding tube. He cannot walk, talk, sit, or stand, but he can smile, and he's happy. I did not know anything was up with him until he was about 6 months old. He wouldn't roll over or pick up his head. I would have to wake him up in the middle of the night, which to me was fine, but apparently not. And he never cried. So we took him to the doctor. The doctor suggested an MRI, and the MRI showed that he had lissencephaly. On the brain, there's gyri, which are the swirls on the brain. Typically, kids with lissencephaly, the brain is smooth. There's all different stages of lissencephaly, some more smooth, some less smooth. Ryan's like right in the middle, kind of towards the more